look at Beatrice. You know, with her small body. You know. And she has made the whole world to stop and play the Kenyan flag. Can we celebrate this girl? Really? This girl, Faith, has done it countless times. You know, it is not always that a person, in fact, you will give me the statistics, General Tuwe, whether there is another human being who has done won gold consecutively in 3 Olympics. It is very rare. You know? So, Faith, we celebrate you. You know, you are a great Kenyan, and we appreciate what you're doing. Look at this Emmanuel guy. Very young guy. He just, how old is he now? 20. You know? This guy, you know, now, the first, in his debut, the first time he participates in an Olympics, and he wins gold. Eh? This is the correct brand of what we expect of people. Mpigeni makofi jameni. You know, these are the great Kenyans. Thank you very much, Emmanuel. You can take your seat. You know, look at Faith, the last born of our team, right there. You know, with a great future ahead of her. You know, let us celebrate these good people. And the senior athletes, those of you who have gone ahead of these younger ones, please provide mentorship, you know, work with them, train them, and the Ministry of Sports, because we already have made the policy position known that apart from the sports infrastructure that we have put in place for all our sports, we need to expand and diversify our sports so that when we go to Olympics, we can get more talents rewarded. We can get more young people participating in different sports, being part of this great celebration.